Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing. In today's video guys, we will show you how to remove or replace the exhaust camshaft position sensor on Mercedes W204 C-Class 250. So if you have that C250 guys, that will be the video for you. Now we'll have more than 200 videos taking the whole car apart, so if you need anything, please give a like, follow us guys. Quite a few videos will be made, more than 200 probably on this car. Now we have two camshaft position sensors. One is on the intake side, one on the exhaust side. We have a video how to replace the intake if you need to, but the exhaust is on completely different place. And how you remove it now? You can see that cover on top, we need to remove it. So you grab it and you pull it straight up. Okay, also check out our Facebook page, you can ask questions there as well. Okay, you can see those four things here. They go in the rubber bushings over there. Now, the intake camshaft position sensor is right here, but the exhaust one should be on the exhaust side, and it's a little bit harder to get to, as you can see. This is the exhaust where the turbo is, and this is your sensor right here. Now, let's see how we can remove that and how we can replace it. So on the sensor towards the back side, okay, you can see you have that gray thing here. So you need to, okay, push it out a little bit. And it needs to come out like this one here. It's the same I'm gonna show you, just like that. But ours is a little bit stuck now. So we'll use a small flathead screwdriver. All the parts and tools that we use will be listed in the description of the video below. Once you put that piece towards the back, push down on it, okay, and we'll need to disconnect the wiring harness, okay. And it came loose. Don't pull for the wires, because you don't want to cause any damage. Okay, just like that. Now we can go ahead and remove the sensor. We'll be using a reverse torque socket. Again, it will be listed in the description of the video below, so feel free to check it out. And there is only one bolt that we need to remove now. Now once we remove the bolt, that sensor might be stuck there, and this is because there is one O-ring. Okay, you can see we pulled it out. This is the sensor now. This is where the O-ring is. And when you buy a new sensor, always make sure that it comes with a new O-ring, or otherwise find one, replace it, because it can cause an oil leak. So we get our new sensor and we are ready to install it. Now, there is something important that you should do. Pull the dipstick and just grab a little bit of oil and apply on the new O-ring. That way it will not be dry, and it will slide in super nice, easy. It will not get stuck, because if that O-ring gets stuck, it might break and cause leaks. So push it all the way in. Get shiny new sensors there. You need to align it. Okay, first we're going to connect the wiring harness, because it will be easier than installing the bolt. Until it clicks. And that gray thing, push it all the way in. You can hear it click again. Now the only thing left is to install the bolt, as you can see, and get the bolt tied as well. So that will be guys the whole video. Check out our Facebook page as well. Quite a few videos will be uploaded there. We'll answer questions as well. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you guys next time.